3 powerful platforms for selling your products. When it comes to making money online, selling a digital product is one of the most straightforward methods, as well as one of the most rewarding and the most profitable. This means selling a product with zero overheads, where the entire transaction can be automated by a tool such as WooCommerce. What's not to like? But why not take things a step further? By adding your products to JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank, you can potentially skyrocket your sales. In this presentation, we'll look at how this works. So first, what are these sites? While JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank are all separate entities, they have one thing in common. They are affiliate platforms. What this means is that they list products that can be sold for commission. If you were an affiliate marketer, then you might visit these sites in order to find ebooks, courses, and other products that you could sell for commission. You can make a lot of money this way. But have you ever thought about being on the other side of the equation? What if you were the person with the product? Firstly, you can use all 3 of these sites to sell directly. This is a captive audience of people who are highly interested in internet marketing. So if you have a product that caters to that audience, then you can potentially make some big sales here. But that's not all. These sites are also useful if you want to get help selling. If you list your product and open it up to affiliate marketers, then you'll be able to enlist a legion of professional marketers to help you sell your book. So, for instance, if you are already selling your ebook from your website for $25 per download, you can continue doing this. You have lost nothing. But now let's say that you offer to give away 50% of your earnings for every sale. That way, you're still earning $12.50 per sale. If an affiliate marketer with a mailing list of 100,000 highly targeted people should jump on board, then that could potentially mean hundreds of sales overnight, without you lifting a finger. Sure, you're giving away some profit, but you just made hundreds or thousands of dollars you wouldn't have made otherwise. But now imagine what happens when you have 200 marketers all doing the same thing. 5 amazingly powerful tools for internet marketers. There are plenty of reports out there discussing the best tools for internet marketers. The problem with those? They tend to focus on free tools that only offer a little bit of functionality. That's not what this presentation is about. This time we're talking about 5 tools used by the biggest online brands in the world. 5 tools that will take your business to the next level. Disclaimer, these tools are not cheap, but that's the point. If you want to be successful, then you need to invest in this career path by picking the serious tools that get serious results. KeywordTool.io. KeywordTool.io is one of many keyword research tools. It offers perhaps the best balance of performance and price and will help you to do much better keyword research. The result is that you'll find terms that you can actually stand a chance of ranking for, thereby helping you to bring in even more cash. Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is a suite of apps from Adobe. These include the likes of Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and Photoshop. Simply put, unless you are a Mac user, there is no excuse for not paying for this bundle. Why? Because internet marketing is a must, and this is the best way to create video. Because AI files are the industry standard for logos and other design elements. Because Photoshop can take your imagery to the next level. The list goes on, but you get the point. Trackonomics. Trackonomics is a tool that lets you find and compare affiliate programs to monetize your website. Why settle for selling a cheap ebook when you could sell an MBA course? Envato Elements. Envato Elements is a service that gives you access to a huge number of stock images, videos, website templates, sound effects, fonts, and more. It will immediately improve the quality and professional impact of your website, so don't settle for anything less. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an online shop that is a plugin for WordPress. It also offers one of the best ways to monetize your website. That's because selling a digital product from your website is far preferable to placing ads on the site or selling an affiliate product. And with WooCommerce, you'll be able to build effective online stores using plugins that provide a huge range of additional features. Want to promote your products in your site sidebar? Easy!